There are robot vacuums that clean your home, and then there are systems that quietly manage it for weeks at a time with very little input. The difference usually becomes clear only after you've lived with them for a while. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're looking at the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop, a high-end robot vacuum and mop system designed for pet owners, large households, and anyone who wants a more automated, low-maintenance approach to floor cleaning. If your home deals with pet hair, mixed flooring, daily dust, or you simply prefer not to think about vacuuming every few days, this product is directly relevant. And as always, the purchase link is available in the description below. What defines the Q10 S5 Plus is not just raw cleaning power, but the way it reduces ongoing maintenance. It combines strong suction, advanced mopping, intelligent navigation, and a long-term self-emptying system into a single connected cleaning routine. Reason 1. True long-term hands-free operation. The self-emptying station with a 2.7L dust bag allows up to 70 days of maintenance-free cleaning, depending on usage. In practical terms, this significantly reduces one of the most repetitive parts of robot vacuum ownership. For busy homes or pet owners, not needing to empty the dustbin every few days creates a noticeably more effortless experience. Reason 2. Strong suction that handles real household mess. With 10,000 pascals HyperForce suction, the Q10 S5 Plus is designed to lift embedded dust, crumbs, and pet hair from carpets, hardwood floors, and tight crevices. In everyday use, this level of suction helps maintain a consistently cleaner surface without requiring frequent manual deep cleaning. It feels powerful, but still controlled enough for daily scheduled use. Reason 3. Advanced anti-tangle system for pet owners. Hair management is one of the most important factors in long-term satisfaction. The dual anti-tangle system, combining a jaw scraper's comb main brush with a specialized side brush, reduces hair wrapping and keeps performance more stable over time. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this is one of those small design improvements that makes a big difference in day-to-day maintenance. Reason 4. VibraRise 2.0 mopping improves real-world results. The sonic vibration mopping system scrubs floors up to 3,000 times per minute, which is significantly more active than basic drag mopping systems. It is particularly effective on dried stains and kitchen areas. At the same time, the system lifts the mop by up to 8 millimeters when carpets are detected, ensuring surfaces are not accidentally dampened during mixed floor cleaning. Reason 5. Intelligent navigation and obstacle avoidance. PreciSense LiDAR scanning builds precise multi-level maps of your home, allowing structured, efficient cleaning routes. Reactive Tech obstacle avoidance adds another layer of intelligence by detecting and navigating around clutter. In real-world environments with furniture, cables, or daily obstacles, this helps reduce interruptions and missed areas. Reason 6. Smart control that fits into daily life. Through the Roborock app, users can schedule cleaning, adjust suction levels, define no-go zones, and control mopping intensity. Voice integration with Alexa and Google Home adds another level of convenience. Once configured, it becomes a system that quietly runs in the background with minimal input. Of course, this is still a premium robot vacuum system. It requires a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi setup, and like all robotic cleaners, heavily cluttered spaces can reduce efficiency. But within its category, it stands out for its balance of automation, cleaning depth, and long-term usability. What makes the Q10 S5 Plus particularly compelling is how little attention it demands once properly set up. It's not just cleaning your floors, it's maintaining them consistently over time. Thank you for watching Buy with Confidence. If the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus feels like the right fit for your home, you'll find the link in the description below. And as always, choose carefully, buy thoughtfully, and invest in products that meaningfully improve everyday living.